Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present to you what is MMM, the rules of MMM, and the goal of MMM. My name is Nalvi Pelayo from Philippines. MMM stands for Mavrudi Mondial Money Box. What is MMM? MMM is a global community of mutual aid and peer-to-peer donation exchange. MMM participants give help by transferring the money to each other directly. MMM is not a company. It does not have any bank accounts, does not provide investments. MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to get money. MMM has no promises, no guarantee. Besides, these are donations to those participants who join the community that needs help, and there is no law that says donation is illegal. MMM aims to encourage and teach people to provide financial help to each other, and change in this way the character of financial relations between people around the world. MMM gives a technical basic program which helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who need help and those who are ready to provide help for free. The man behind MMM. The idea of creating a global community of mutual aid belongs to Sir Sergey Mavrudi, who founded and leads MMM. He, having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer and took part in the development of the first operating systems. The company he founded was one of leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. He was also a deputy of the Russian parliament. Next, so what's more interesting in MMM? Yes, rewards. You have a 30% growth per month on your provide help. A referral bonus of 10% for every help provided by the people you invited to join in MMM. A registration bonus of $20 if your contribution is from $50 to $499. A registration bonus of $50 will be credited to you if your contribution is from $500 to $2,999. And $100 bonus will be credited to you if your contribution is from $3,000 and more. And next, we have 20% to 100% growth rate with MMM Extra. So in MMM Extra, every day, each participant will be offered to do a simple task to get an additional interest. So for example, he will be asked to join the group on Facebook and leave a comment. And last, we have manager's bonus, leadership bonus. Next, we will see how does MMM work. So we have here provide help and get help. So if you declare the willingness to give help, just click in your personal office provide help, after which your account will be credited with Mavro. So Mavro is the internal currency of the system. Your Mavro's amount will start growing from the moment of deposit at the rate of 30% per month. And the calculation of interest occurs twice a week on Tuesday and Thursday. So for example, here, you have donated an amount of 1,000 pesos, so you will receive a Mavro, equivalent to the amount you donated, and it will immediately start growing. A month later, your 1,000 will become 1,300 pesos. So accordingly, this 1,300 pesos, you will be able to request this for your assistance. So how do we send or receive our donation? So we're using Bitcoin. So you can create your blockchain wallet at blockchain.info. So next, so sounds interesting. This table will help us know the future growth of our donation. So, for example, here, you have provided help an initial amount of 200 pesos. So, as you can see, the first month will become 260 pesos. Your second month will become 338 pesos. So on and so forth. So, the amount of donation is surely 30% per month. So, that's the power of giving in MMM community. But remember, MMM does not collect your money. It is not an online business or any investment, HYIP, or MLM program. MMM is a community where people help each other. So MMM is already in 107 countries with 138 members around the world. The reliability of MMM's donation exchange is stipulated by the fact that people ask for help when they really need, and they donate money when they have opportunity. There is a trust relationship between participants who are partners but not competitors for each other. They make the mutual aid programs with such a high growth rate real. The proof of the viability of MMM is millions of the community members worldwide. So what are you waiting for? Be a part of the community. Experience the power of giving. Let's help all the people in the world. Create a new fair financial relationship. Stop economic slavery. And have a financial freedom for everyone. Together, we can change the world. For more information about MMM, you can visit www.mmphilippines.net/ph.